Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a bank account to Luno. So are you looking to cash out your crypto or deposit local currency into your Luno wallet? Okay, so first you need to link your bank account, and in the step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to add a bank account to your Luno app quickly, securely, and correctly. The first step I'd like you to take is to launch the Luno mobile app and sign in using your email and password, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you're going to see the portfolio tab. Go ahead and click on the represented by wallet icon. Now, this will bring up all your crypto and fiat wallets, such as ZAR, NGN, or EUR, depending on your country. So from here, go ahead and find your local currency wallet that you have set up. Once you find your local currency wallet, like NGN wallet for Nigeria or ZAR for South Africa, go ahead and tap it. Now, once you tap it, inside your fiat wallet, go ahead and tap the withdraw button. Luno requires a verified bank account before you can make a withdrawal. Now, if you haven't added a bank account yet, you see an option that says add bank account. Now tap it to continue, and you'll be asked to enter the following: number one, your bank name; number two, your account number; number three, your account type, savings or current; number four, your full legal name, which must match your Luno verified identity. Now the bank account must be in your own name. Third-party accounts are not accepted. So go ahead and review the information to ensure it's accurate, then tap submit or add account. Luno may perform a quick verification process depending on your country and bank. Once added and approved, your bank account will appear as an option whenever you want to withdraw fiat from Luno. To avoid errors or delays, double check your name and account number match exactly what your bank uses. In some countries, you may need to upload a bank statement for verification, and that's it. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.